Yeah.
Hello guys, welcome back to CODERS channel. Uh, we get to know that the other day we were able to get to know some basics of the HTML5 tags. That was the heading and breaking tags and also a paragraph. Now today we're going to learn something new. We're going to learn um something new that's about the centering of um words and how to underline words or give a horizontal line and also give a tag in HTML. Now the other day this was all what we did. That was some basic HTML tags. That's head 4 and the head 5. Okay, today we are going to learn something. So we need to create a new file. So I'll be creating my new file. I'll name it horizontal tags, horizontal underscore create tags underscore center dot html. Now I'm saving my file on the desktop. Okay, now here is the file. Now let's open it up and see. Now it's empty, so we're going to open a new html tab. Sorry, not the text here. HTML. And we're giving the title as break and center and sorry and horizontal tabs. Save it. Now straight to the body. You need to type a bunch of words starting with the centering of the tag, centering tag. So for instance, I'll be typing um my name is some small text like this, and let's save it and refresh our page and see what's happening. Now we're getting that it appears on our web page, and also the title should change from, you can see it also here, and you want to put it in the center. You want to put it there, all this is before that. Let's break. I want to put my name, that's my name Tijani Moro, in the center. So before that, you need to give a break tag here. That was what we did in the other episode. So let's save it and see. Now it has been break, so you get to know the difference between this and that. So now before you do that, you need to open a tag here and enter, oh sorry, center, and close it, and also come here and close, so close center. Now we save it and see what's happening. I should refresh our page. Oh, there's a mistake here. Oh, okay. Now you get to know that Morutijana, my name is Morutijana, has been in the center of the web page. Let's open it wide and see. Okay, it's in the center. Hope you can see it very clearly. Now, without me wasting much time, we'll be going on to the next tag, that's horizontal line. Now, you should create a paragraph and give a whole bunch of sentence. Now let's save it. Let's refresh our page. Yeah, that's our words there, sentences there. So I want to give a horizontal line from this word to this word. So what I need to type here is HR, horizontal line. You can make it in this form or leave it in this form. It works. So let's refresh our page. Now you get to see where the horizontal line starts from. That's how the horizontal line works also. So we also rush to the pre tag HTML tag. To do that, let's give a break here to make our work spacious. Let's save it, and then we're going to type before that, let's type this thing out. Function test function, and we type in string str tests, sorry, tests. Then we type here alert str tests. That's all. Now we save our work and see what's happening on our page. You see how it has displayed as how I typed it. Now with the help of the pre tag function tags, it shows it in a different way. For instance, if I type the pre tag top here, and then let me get this one so it's very clear, and then I close the pre tag here, and I'll save my work and I'll refresh. You see how the pre tag functions. It displays as how you've typed it in the working sheet, or that's how it works. So that's it for this video. See you in the next one. But before you leave, you need to subscribe or like to get more notifications, and then for any question you can comment, and you can also give suggestion to this tutorial. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.